Hi, my name is Will Carpenter. Welcome to Illumi-Nation. Words shape reality. This show didn't just drop down from the sky or come out of nowhere. It took many years to develop to get to this point. I started out as a custom cabinet maker, and at the end of my career, I started making furniture accessories like this, where we integrate lettered blocks into frames and art pieces where all the messages can change and we can express inspiring words out into the room. It's called folk art technology. And during this process, one day I asked the etymology dictionary, what is the origination of the word technology? And it said it had to do with grammar, the art, craft, skill, method, and system of arranging the letters in numerical orders. Today, I think that all words are formulas that are analogous to the elements in the periodic table. So you take elements in the periodic table, bring them together to create molecules, and letters from the alphabet come together to create words. Also, I'm starting to think maybe all the words are acronyms. When we look at this R here, it's 3,500 years old, and its original name is head. So we're going to use the original name here when we spell this word. All cut heads of names yoking matter. And here's a perfect example. USA, cut from United, cut head from States, and cut head from America. And this is yoked matter. These three come together to make this acronym. So what we do here is we put a word on the stage every day. There's a first definition, synonyms, and some etymology ideas. We take this information and condense it down to a fine point of high definition, clear resolution. And why do we do that? Well, I have found that the more we know about a word, when we express it, it has that zing because we know what we're talking about. Another thing I'm very concerned with here, and the reason for this channel, is to give people their power back. And the sword is a great symbol of power. And everybody has a will, therefore everyone can wield their sword, and their sword is flaming, so therefore it gives off light and gives off heat, and it can cut everything we need cut and diced in our life to create. When we open this up here, we could say sharp word. A sharp word can cut right to the point. Also, what I've noticed is every thought, feeling, and action comes off our breath. More times than not, it's also integrated with a word. So folks, words are so important in our lives. That's why this show exists. And so I invite everybody to participate so that they're going to have an experience of more power, enlightenment, and illumination. See you in here and see you out there. Thanks for listening.